Mangools Marketing and SEO Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a straightforward, user-friendly SEO toolset, Mangools might be exactly what you need. I've spent time testing this platform, and today I'm going to break down everything you need to know. First off, the links to the product are available in the description, so feel free to check that out. Mangools offers a suite of SEO tools, including KW Finder, SERP Checker, Link Miner, Site Profiler, and Rank Tracker. Each of these tools serves a specific purpose in optimizing your SEO strategy. KW Finder is excellent for finding low-competition, high-volume keywords. SERP Checker gives you an in-depth analysis of search engine results pages. Link Miner helps you evaluate backlinks, while Site Profiler provides detailed reports on domain metrics. Finally, Rank Tracker is perfect for tracking your keyword rankings over time. What makes Mangools stand out is its simplicity. It's perfect for beginners who are new to SEO and don't want to get overwhelmed by complex tools. But don't let that fool you. Mangools is also powerful enough for experienced professionals who want a reliable, intuitive SEO suite for their daily tasks. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, so you can focus on getting results instead of wasting time figuring out how to use the software. The platform is also quite affordable compared to some of the other big names in the SEO world, making it a great value for those on a budget. Overall, if you're serious about improving your website's visibility, Mangools provides all the tools you need in one place. It's a reliable, well-rounded SEO toolkit that won't break the bank. If you're interested in trying it out, make sure to check the links in the description. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your support helps me bring valuable content to more people, so stay tuned for more useful insights. Thanks for watching.